Hello and welcome to Shelby County Deaf Education and Audiology Training Classroom. And welcome COVID 2020. You're going to be having a child with hearing loss in your classroom. And as you know, we are all required to wear a face mask of some kind. Now, every person depends on facial cues, expressions, and even minor lip reading to better understand the person talking. So can you even imagine how hard it's going to be for our kids with hearing loss wearing a mask like this? So first, we're going to be asking that every teacher who works with kids with hearing loss have a mask that either has a clear section like this one, but do you notice how my voice just got muffled from this way? Here's another option like this one. But we're also going to be providing every teacher who has students with hearing loss with a face shield. That is our best recommendation at this time, is having a face shield for working with these students, but we also respect and understand your concerns. This particular video is going to address accommodations in the classroom that everyone can implement. And then there are going to be other videos for some of you to watch who have students with FM systems, and those will be specific. So having a student in your classroom with hearing loss, some of you may have in the past, some of you may have never had a child with hearing loss in your classroom, but here are some things that can be helpful. First, try to seat the student so that they can see your face when you talk, because seeing is so important. If your student is not looking at you when you're talking, you need to always try to even get their attention if it's really important. Next, seat the student away from noisy areas like the air conditioners that are along the wall, doorways that can be really noisy with outside interference. And the closer to you, the better. So close proximity, because the two main hindrances for a child or a person with hearing loss in the classroom is distance from the speaker and background noise. It's also important to have your classroom assignments written down somewhere visibly. I know that today in our society, most of you have Google Classrooms, and so everything is put easily accessible for the students. So we just want to thank you for going above and beyond what you're already doing. We know that this year is asking all of us to do things that we're not used to. And then having a student with special needs in your classroom, especially when the mask can be such a hindrance, is asking even more. But we hope you have an awesome year, and thank you so much.